another thing about what is issue on manifolds. On my friend's Vauxhall, on his well-known brand, I don't know even how to show it, but basically what the issue is. Yeah, sorry guys, I can say straight away, I'm not a video person. I don't know how to make videos. I just want some part save for myself on my build, because even a few days ago I was just quickly open video how to clean ring gapping, just to see difference between my M50 engine and Alpina engine. You know, Alpina got 87mm bore from same engine. Gaps between cylinders is just a tiny. It's scary. I'm doing it before because it's blonde head gasket and little bit gaps between cylinders from number 1 and number 2 it's get lower. So now I need strip completely and send for skimming. So basically, return to this topic. You see, shape of manifold. Yeah, probably I can't spin anymore. So basically, from cylinder 1, flies in, goes there, out. From 2, in, out. 6, in, join together, goes out into one gallery. Them all join together here in that line. And now look, what's the biggest issue on this manifold? Them two join together and partially join to this and goes into turbo. These are joined together and goes into turbo. And now cylinder number 3 straight into turbo. That's even not in the way. Problem with light and everything. See, that's where them goes connect to that. It's even not in the way. It's straight go into one scroll. So how my friend's engine? It just make on his engine. It was cylinder number 4. It was 4-cylinder engine. It was running when it was trying to do mopping, but there was also issues with wastegate, which as well is well-known brand as well. I promise you, everyone, I will do video about that, because there is 2 well-known brand stuff which just destroyed engine. And how much I know, that's not one engine which was destroyed same way. Because probably plenty of people in Vauxhall running the manifolds destroy engine. In his case, it was just shell. It's catched moment when it just started little knock. That's it. It just stopped. Car recovered home. That's it. Crank is survived, and block and piston, everything is fine. But shell kaput, just because knocking. Basically, on his engine, problem was same thing, and it's got better airflow, and because of better airflow, that cylinder running lean. Because injectors all same spray, all injectors spraying same amount of fuel, and that better airflow on that cylinder. In my case number 3, in his case number 4, which was straight output to turbo, make that cylinder running lean, hotter, knock, everything what you expect to kill engine. So be aware, check your manifolds. In my case, I probably will do some weld here just to reduce flow, to make it equal flow. And then I will look carefully on what, basically do some 1, 2, 3 run-ups, spark plugs out, check. If any spark plug on this cylinder will show lean, straight away manifold off, weld some more until get equal flow on all cylinders. if I get proper posh ECU, I probably can do single injector adjustment to match flow. But as well, it's not best thing, because still that cylinder will run hotter, even just because it get more load. Even if as it get more air, it should get more fuel, and it will get more job to do. So do not subscribe and you will not see anymore.